Stop whatever you're doing, and I want you to imagine your dream home. Your perfect kitchen, master bedroom oasis, perfect living room. Really, I want you to do it. Is that dream home filled with mess and clutter? The house that we want to live in isn't filled with a bunch of stuff. But the other reality is there is no perfect home, and the house that you've got sitting under your nose right now has the potential to be a space that you love. It's pretty cheesy, but you make your dream home by caring for what you have and clearing out the excess. Post-Christmas fun, it is time to declutter. So in today's video, I want to share with you simple and practical tips that are going to motivate you to get organized in 2019. Right now, today, or this weekend, pick 3 places in your home that you want to organize. Hone your attention on specific areas that cause you to lose time in your daily life. For me, that's worth it organizing. The most motivating thing is it takes so much less time than you think. The best life hack I have found for decluttering and organizing is called Pomodoro Technique. Break up your work into 20 to 25 minute intervals. Work quickly with your full attention on one space. Don't pause, just go. And only pick something that you can finish in about 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break and start again until all 3 spaces are done. The quicker you can work and just take care of something, you avoid the step where you're overthinking it and trying to make it absolutely 100% what you want, and just do something. A done something is so much better than a perfect nothing. Don't forget it. I don't know about you guys, but especially this time of year, we've got so many new things coming into the house.
Noise, 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 all the toys, toys, toys.
And we really focused on kids' toys this year, decluttering and getting rid of the things we weren't using.
Because toys are big.
You're rocking this out, dude.
It's instilling good habits, and the bigs teach the littles.
Oh wait, you play with dinosaurs? Okay. Owen just wants to play with the decluttering. Look, he doesn't even want to try to.
These are our donations so far, ready to go.
A great motivator for me has been less stuff is less work, is less cleaning, and less time. So as you go to tackle new spaces, forget having a new bin or a new container and ask yourself, what is the system you want to create, and what do you want that space to actually do? One of the most solid tips I can give is start the new year with a great calendar and command center on the side of your fridge to organize your family's schedule. I'm gonna put a link down below to the Doitonadime calendar. This is my favorite way to organize a calendar. You organize it by person as well as meal plan, so it's really easy to see everything that everyone has to do. No one misses appointments because you can see everything, so there's no excuses. These are super easy to put together. All you need is a little bit of dollar store tape and a hole punch. Hang this right up on your fridge. It helps really keep us organized and start the new year off right. Finding a system that works for you is really motivating in the new year. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe because I make tons of videos like this. Getting organized doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Organized. Organized.
Declutter pile.
Yeah!
And laundry.